Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we dive into today's topic, hit that like button and subscribe too. It's a lot easier than figuring out German paperwork and way more fun. Your support means a lot. Now let's get started. Question number 201. A police officer is regulating the traffic at a crossroads, even though the traffic lights are in operation. What applies? The traffic signs governing priority. False. The police officer's signals. True. Follow the officer's directives. The traffic light signals. False. Officer's instructions take precedence. Question number 202. How important are instructions from police officers? They must be obeyed only if they tally with the traffic signs installed. False. They release you from your own duty to take care. False. They must be obeyed. True. Police instructions are always authoritative. Question number 203. What is correct? The yellow car must leave the crossroads. True. Must clear the intersection as directed. I must get ready to proceed. True. Prepare for movement after the car clears. I can turn now. False. Wait for the officer's signal. Question number 204. What is correct? Wait at the crossroads. True. Stop as indicated by the officer. Question number 205. In your rearview mirror, you see the words "Stop Police" in red illuminated letters on the roof of a police car immediately behind your car. Who does this apply to? To all vehicles on the road. False. To you only. True. Direct instruction to your vehicle. To all following vehicles. False. Specific to the vehicle being addressed. Question number 206. The words "Bitte folgen," please follow, are illuminated on a police car immediately preceding your car. What does this mean? All cars driving in the same direction must follow the police car. False. Only heavy goods transports must follow the police car. False. Only you must follow the police car. True. Specific instruction for your vehicle. Question number 207. You are overtaken by a police vehicle, which pulls in immediately in front of you. The words "Bitte folgen," please follow, appear illuminated in red on the roof. What should you do? Follow the police vehicle. True. Follow the instructions. Stop if the police vehicle stops. True. Stay behind and stop as necessary. Allow the engine to continue running once I have stopped. False. This is not specifically required. Question number 208. You are overtaken by a police vehicle which pulls in immediately in front of you. The words "Bitte folgen," please follow, appear illuminated in red on the roof. To whom does this apply? To all vehicles in my lane. False. For police and rescue vehicles following behind. False. To me? True. The instruction is for your vehicle. Question number 209. A police signalling disc is displayed towards you from a vehicle driving in front of you. What does this mean? I may not overtake the vehicle. True. Overtaking is not permitted when a police signalling disc is displayed. I have to turn in the direction indicated. False. The disc does not necessarily indicate a direction to turn. I have to follow the vehicle until it stops. True. It is necessary to follow the police vehicle until it stops for traffic checks or surveys. Question number 210. What is the right course of action now? I cross over the junction carefully. True. Proceed with caution as instructed by the police officer. I wait outside of the junction for further instructions from the police officer. False. The instruction is to proceed. not wait. I let the blue vehicle move first. False. The police officer's signal applies to your vehicle. Question number 211. Who has priority here? The red car. True. Police officer's instructions grant it priority. The motorbike. False. It must wait due to the turn. Me. False. Must wait before the intersection as directed by the officer. Question number 212. What applies here? The crossroads may be crossed. True. Police officer's sideways arm signal allows passage. Turning off is prohibited. False. Not relevant in this scenario. You must wait for further signals from the police officer before the crossroads may be entered. False. The signal given allows crossing. Question number 213. Which conduct is right? The green car must wait. True. Red light requires it to stop. I may only turn when the lights show green. False. Turning is permitted with caution. I may turn observing the traffic signs. True. Follow signs while turning. Question number 214. What is permitted at these traffic lights with green arrow sign? Turn right from the right lane after having stopped first, when there is no obstruction or danger to others. True. Stop, then turn if clear. Turn right only when the traffic lights are green. False. Green arrow permits turning. Turn right without stopping. False. Stopping is necessary. Question number 215. At these traffic lights with a green arrow sign, where should a vehicle stop before turning right? At the stop line. True. Stop here before turning. Before the crossing or junction if there is no stop line. True. Stop at the intersection or junction. There is no need to stop. False. Stopping is required. Question number 216. How should you behave in this situation? Stop on the line of sight. False. Stop on the stop line. False. Pass through the crossing without stopping. True. Traffic light allows crossing without stopping. Question number 217. Where must you wait? Level with the traffic lights. False. At the stop line. True. Stop at the line as per traffic light rules. At the point where you can see along the intersecting road, sight line. False. Stop line is the correct place. Question number 218. What is correct in this situation? Traffic turning right may proceed. True. Green arrow indicates right turn is allowed. Traffic continuing ahead may proceed. False. Only right turn is allowed in this case. Traffic turning left may proceed. False. Green arrow is for right turn only. Question number 219. What should you do? Slow down. False. Braking might be dangerous due to the truck behind. Continue driving. True. Proceed with caution due to speed and short distance to the traffic light. Question number 220. What is correct in this situation? I have to wait in the center of the junction. False. No need to wait in the center. I may turn unimpeded. True. Green arrow indicates clear to turn left. I must allow the oncoming traffic to pass through. False. Oncoming traffic is stopped.